Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fun and educational video planned for you little learners. We're going to learn all about farm animals and their names. Are you ready to have some fun? So let's start the video. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Bull, B-U-L-L, bull. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Geese, G-E-E-S-E, geese. Llama, L-L-A-M-A, llama. Well done, everyone. You've learned so much about farm animals today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this one. Until next time, bye!